concerns that Dr. Bell has regarding the future longevity of this program beyond the successor, is that something that you share as well? Indeed. We're very hopeful that the federal government will continue the program because it's such an essential program. Anything expand at the moment, the federal government screening program offers free tests to people who are aged 50, 55 or 65. And what we actually need is for the program to be offered free to all Australians aged 50 and over every second year, so we get that comprehensive screening program like we have with breast cancer screening for That's the number that you can call for that one. Well, Poe has arrived at the ABC tent and she's being inundated by people wanting to take photos and get autographs. She's going to be joining me after the 4:30 headlines to talk about her Asian heritage, and she's being joined by another famous chef. This is Luton Nguyen from Sydney. You may be aware of him from the Red Lantern restaurant. We're going to speak to both of them after 4:30 today, and perhaps have a look at some of the Asian veggies that might scare you off a little bit. They'll perhaps tell us a little bit more about them and what we can do. I'm down here at Elder Park for the Oz Asia Festival. That's why it's so noisy. Hearing a great Asian soundtrack behind us and various other things as it happens on the stage down here at Elder Park. Beautiful afternoon, going to head into a gorgeous night. Make sure you join us if you can down here at Elder Park. It's 4:30.